is this sharp intake of breath. Is everyone going to get through safely? No.
Good morning, not from Andermatt, but in the workshop, because we were about to leave and then we had a fuel leak as we drove off. So we're here with the camper, checking it out because there's a small issue going on, but we'll be on the road soon. First free practice. It's extremely busy, much busier than I ever imagined. Eric's turn now, so let's see where he goes.
So we are here for the first of two races to kick off the 2021 season. Right, you've got the finish line out of the parabolica.
Is with the lights, which is actually late. Especially people going beyond the line.
Bash takes the lead. Now there is this sharp intake of breath. Is everyone going to get through safely? No. Dan Powell got involved, number 33, tapping the tail of a car in front. And there, damage already, all of that from the elastic effect going into the first chicane.
As you may know, sadly, race 1 lasted very shortly due to my fault.
Out and away they go, and a good getaway by Defolka. But now we get to one of the real pinch points on the lap, and somebody getting it wrong under braking. Into the gravel trap.
Looks very much like a safety car.
Daan coming out of the pit lane, gets up the inside there, and there's contact, broken suspension, off they both go. Dan Powell learning fast, getting on with the job. To get past Max Wearing, who in turn wants to get past Glenn Van Berlo, who doesn't know from whom to defend, and he's in the traffic. And Dan Powell, now we've not talked about Dan Powell in this race yet, but he was the driver that got into the back of Defolko yesterday and retired with damage, but here he is in 9th place, keeping out of trouble and learning.
Yes, and he looked really good in practice, so he's definitely a guy to watch for the future races. He was also quite disappointed yesterday for the mistake he did, so he was hard on himself, and I think now he will have to remove some of the shame that he put in himself in order to have a clear mind and take the correct risk that you need to take to do well.
8th, Dan Powell and Eric Meyring.
So, that was the first round of the Lamborghini Super Trofeo series here at Monza. I just got out of race 2. It was a real inhaal race, as we call it in Dutch, where I started, I think I got out around 18, 16, 17, 15, no idea. And you see I collected a bit of grass in the radiator, but got lucky with a safety car, very unlucky with the positioning of some cars, but we finished P8 at the end. I had a very good time today. I very much enjoyed it. I very much like how the car is here with all the big supporters, all the small supporters, and everyone else. Big thanks to everyone from Bonaldi, everyone who supported me, and to Ale, the best engineer.
Hello, everybody.
And see you next time.